welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. So for today's video, I'm gonna film a get ready with me to go grocery shopping, since it's the only time that I actually ever leave the house nowadays. So if you guys are still working or going to the grocery or just getting ready for the day, come get ready with me. I'm gonna start off by applying some moisturizer. So this one's the Innisfree Ginger Honey Cream, and I've been seeing this hack going around. I don't know if it was like on YouTube or like Instagram or TikTok, but people have been putting on moisturizer and then they've been going over it with some translucent powder. I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Lock-It translucent powder, and they've just been like applying this on top of their moisturizer, and apparently it makes your makeup last longer and like looks better or something. I don't know if they go over this with primer. I kind of forgot, but I'm not going to, just because I'm not planning on wearing this makeup for that long. I'm probably just gonna go and then come home and wipe it all off, so there's no need for primer. And for my base, since I don't want anything too heavy, I'm just going to go in with my It Cosmetics CC cream, and I'm gonna mix that with some of my Ellis Fars foundation. Sometimes my CC cream is a little bit too light for me, which is why I like to mix it with my Ellis Fars, and it also gives me a little bit more coverage. And I'm just gonna mix these ones together and dot it all over my face. It's so cold today. My skin hasn't been all that great either. Like, everyone's talking about how their skin has been getting so good in isolation, but I've been sleeping at like 3 AM and eating all kinds of snacks, which probably aren't that great for my skin. So I kind of need the coverage right now. I'm just going to buff that all out with my Real Technique Beauty Blender. It's like the one time that I go out and I wear makeup nowadays. Wearing makeup feels kind of weird sometimes, but it's nice to get dressed up. Also, excuse my hair if it's a little messy. I slept in it like this yesterday because I want to get those like nice braid waves at the end of this look. So it's like this side is like a bit crazy, so let's just ignore my hair for now. But now that my foundation is on, I am going to, do I want to put a bit of concealer? I'll just add a little bit of concealer just for some extra coverage, because might as well. I'm just going to go in with my Cover Perfect Tip Concealer, and I'm just going to place this under my eyes because I have crazy bags. And I like to put some on my forehead, down my nose bridge, and this is like my biggest trouble area. So I like to place it in these two areas as well. And I'm just going to buff that out with my blender. Isn't it weird to be excited to go grocery shopping? Because like, it's literally the only time that I step foot outside this house. One of the reasons why my skin probably hasn't been that great either is because I probably haven't been getting enough vitamin C since I've been like stuck indoors so much. But I don't know, I think it's just my shitty eating habits and my really bad sleeping pattern. But I don't think I'm gonna set my concealer or my foundation today, just because I kind of can't be stuffed. So I just quickly applied my brows with my Anastasia brow pomade in chocolate, just the way that I always do. And now I'm gonna move on to the eyes, and I don't really know what I want to do, but I need to remember to get vegetables. So I'm going to dip into some of this green, because green is the universal color for vegetables. And every single time I go grocery shopping, I just literally head straight to the snacks and I always forget to get vegetables. So I need my green eyeshadow to remind me, and I'm just going to apply that kind of like in my crease area, just really lightly. I've been going grocery shopping with my sister for like the past few weeks now because we don't want our parents going. So I need to remember to get everyone vegetables, or else we're gonna all come out of this living off snacks. Just do you want to come in a bit? So some green eyeshadow for cabbages, celery I guess. I'm gonna go in with my finger and take that same green and just apply it all over my lids, because vegetables are important and you always need to remember to eat your vegetables. I don't think I've ever done a green eye look before. So this is super new for me. I don't even know if I like how it looks, but you know what, we're just gonna go with it. I'm gonna dip into the darker green right next to the one that I was using with a denser brush and kind of focus that on the outer corners of my eye, just for a little bit more dimension, you know. Grab some of that and also take it along my bottom lash line and kind of buff it out slowly. I'm gonna go and try to buff it out just to get rid of any harsh lines and kind of blend the dark and the light green together. For a little bit more color, I'm gonna dip into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit, and I'm taking the shade Helia. Yeah, Helia, this one over here, this light duochrome green color, and I'm just gonna kind of focus this in the inner corner of my eyes, and I'm gonna bring it down. And then I'm going to slowly kind of blend it into the green that we placed, because I feel like it gives it like a really nice limey color. So it gets lighter to darker, you know, that nice ombre. And you just have to make sure to keep blending it just so there's no harsh lines. And I'm going to line my waterline with this Helia color. I'm just going to build color where I think I need it. So I think I need more dark. So I'm going to apply some mascara, and I'm using the Kevyn Aucoin Volume Mascara, and I'm just going to apply this to my lower lash lines as per usual. So if you want to wear mascara, you can just apply some to your upper lashes as well. But since I never get to dress up, I'm going to pop on some falsies. And since I'm not wearing any eyeliner, I'm going to apply them as close to my lash line as I can. These are the Glam by Manicure lashes in the style Alessandra. I forgot to curl my real lashes, so now I have double lashes. So I just applied my lashes and I'm going to wait for them to dry. Of course, if you don't want to apply lashes, feel free not to. I normally wouldn't wear lashes if I was going grocery shopping, but since it's the only time that I get to go out nowadays, I decided why not, might as well. So here I am with my full dramatic ass lashes, and now I'm going to go on with the rest of the face. I'm going to try something a little different. So I have my Etude House Dear Darling tint here, and this is in the shade PK002, and I'm just going to like try and use this as a blush because I think it'll be cute. So I'm just going to apply some to my cheeks. My hands are really cold right now and this is making my face cold. Okay. I honestly don't know if I added too much or not. I want to try and do like faux freckles because I keep seeing it and I think it looks really cute. So I'm going to take a little angled brush and my brow pomade that I used for my brows before, and I'm just going to try and kind of like dip a tiny bit of it and try to dot it all over my face just to kind of create some slight freckles. And I'm not following any sort of pattern, I'm just like randomly dotting. And I'm pressing down some harder than others because freckles are never like that even. I have like really bad eyesight, so I low-key can't really see what I'm doing because I can't see that close in detail. without my glasses on, and I don't wear glasses and I don't wear contacts, so if this looks really bad, I'm so sorry. I'm kind of just following where I placed my blush, and I'm just going over my finger to lighten it and kind of push it into the skin so it looks a little bit more natural. I'm going to take some up to my forehead too. And just kind of make them look like sporadic and random. Okay, I think I'm done with the fake freckles. I like how they turned out. I've honestly never really done faux freckles before, so spare me if they look a bit rough. Since we are going to the grocery store, I thought it would be cute to add some little fruit slices onto our face, and I picked these up from Yes Style. I'm going to just place some, you know, fruits all over my face because I need to also remember to pick up some fruits as well as my vegetables, because fruits and vegetables are good for your teeth and you would have to remember to stay healthy. Dropped it. Where'd it go? Oh, it's on my thing. So I have a watermelon slice right here. Let's just place this one. Oh god, where'd it go? I'm just gonna place this one just over here. That's cute. And I'm going to place an apple slice because an apple a day keeps the dentist or the doctor away. Just over here. Oopsies. There we go. Apple and watermelon, super cute. And I'm also going to take a little strawberry because I like strawberries. I think they're so cute. I'm gonna place this one. Yep. Down a bit. Apple, strawberry, watermelon, and I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm just like putting these randomly on my cheeks. I don't really know, I don't really have a plan of where I want them to go, and I'm using eyelash glue to stick these on, so maybe this one can go upside down. Apple. I think the apple slices are my favorite. I think they're so cute. I actually love apples. And then another little strawberry. Let's put this one upside down as well. Yeah. I think that looks cute. Okay, I think that's enough fruit for my face. We have my vegetable eyeshadow and my fruit, so you need to remember to get in those nutrients. You know, you gotta stay healthy during this time, take care of your body. But I'm just going back in with the what's this called again? The Dear Darling tint, and I'm applying this to my lips. Hopefully it'll match my cheeks. And I'm just gonna buff it out with my finger because I feel like this makes tint look the most natural. And I think that's it for my grocery makeup look. I'm going to quickly just take out my hair. Hopefully it turns out how I want it to turn out. I just want some cute texture in my hair because my hair's just been straight for the past few days, so please excuse my pink finger. It tends to do that. Ooh, ready. I honestly find it so uncomfortable to sleep with things in my hair, so having to wear my hair like this to sleep really annoyed me, but I think it's worth it. Wow! I have a hair tie in this one too. Yes. Does it look nice? Oh, I my final touches, I always gotta wear a cute pair of earrings. So I just quickly took out my hair and added some cute strawberry earrings to complete the look. And this is all for my grocery store makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for getting ready with me. And stay safe, stay healthy, and if you can, definitely stay indoors unless you're going grocery shopping or you still have to work. But I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!